One UI 9 might finally fix Samsung's repair and warranty mess. While most of the attention right now is on One UI 8.5, Samsung is already internally testing One UI 9 on multiple Galaxy devices. And now, a fresh leak suggests that the company is working on a brand new app called Warranty and Care in its upcoming Android 17-based update. This new feature could make device repairs and warranty tracking much simpler and more organized than before. At the moment, checking warranty details or requesting repairs on a Galaxy device can feel a bit confusing and scattered across different sections. But with One UI 9, Samsung seems to be solving this problem by introducing a dedicated all-in-one hub inside the system. While exploring an early One UI 9 internal build, the team at Android Authority discovered this new Warranty and Care app, which brings multiple support features together in one place. From the early look, the app includes a diagnostics section that can scan and identify potential issues with your device. This feature will likely be connected to existing tools already available in the Samsung Members app. There is also an Ask Bixby option, which will act as a built-in virtual assistant for support. This means users can quickly get answers to common problems without needing to search manually. Another important feature spotted is the Request a Repair option, which could allow users to directly book service appointments and even check estimated repair costs from within the app. The interface also includes a search bar, making it easier to find solutions instantly. Below that, there are common issue suggestions, like battery draining fast on Galaxy phones, helping users quickly troubleshoot problems. On top of that, the app is expected to display warranty status and repair history in one place, giving users a clear overview of their device's service records. That said, most of these features are currently not fully functional, which is expected since this is still an early development build. Samsung may continue to refine, improve, or even change these features in future updates. We'll keep tracking One UI 9 development, so stay tuned for more updates as soon as new information becomes available. That's it for today. What are your thoughts about this new Warranty and Care feature in One UI 9? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.